the finale episode, whether we make it to the finale or not. So, ayun. And also, yung isa kong sinuot, yung may fringe mask, that is supposed to be my Pinoy art pasabog look. True, please, ano ba kasi yung post finale looks? I am obsessed. Teka, kala pina-post process na nga. Galgaling niyo yung photographer ko. Charis. Sino yung dumaan sa hagdan? Kuya ko. Kuya ko po yun. Not Take Me to Church. Ay, opening. I think you're referring to Land of Lola for yung opening number ko. Do you want ba ng labubu? Alam nyo, ang cute ng labubu, pero kasi ang hirap maghanap. Ako kasi yung type na person, pag kailangan kong pumila ng malala, tinatamad ako. So parang actually medyo tamad akong, like, sa mga concerts, usually nagpapasabay lang ako. Usually nagpapasabay lang ako. Kung hindi makabili ng ticket yung kasama ko, ay hindi walang ticket. Kasi my patience cannot. Like, I literally cannot do long lines. Or like, mga long queues, ganyan. Hindi ko carry. I love your earrings. Where did you get it me? It's from a Chinese designer. My favorite Chinese designer. Bracelet, ring, or necklace? Depends. Siguro like, I don't wear a lot of rings eh. Hindi ako ma-rings na person. Bracelet or necklace siguro. Mother, quick question. Do you use your used outfit again? Yes, girl. May washing machine kami. Marunong ako maglaba, babe. Kaya ko magpalawa ng damit. Girl, and if you don't, honestly, if you're a drag queen and you only use an outfit that you spent how much money on once, parang, yaman mo naman. Sana all. Yung mga, yung mga looks ko from Drag Race, I haven't gotten to worn all of them again yet, aside from on the show and sa photo shoot. Kasi parang some of them are really, parang, for me, couture, and I would love for them to have their own time again in person sa mga like, siguro like bigger events, ganyan. Pero hindi para, ayoko siyang ilabas for shows lang. Gets ba? Some of them I do. Kasi some of them like, masarap talaga isuot pang perform. But like some of them parang like, especially the bigger gowns, the more couture ones, parang, like, gusto ko siyang ilabas sa special events para, alam mo yun, para mas, like, it continues to be special. Ganon. Basta yun. Bet so much yung haircut mo, Mix. I've been getting pretty much the same haircut forever. Pero ngayon, ang difference lang, pinapahaba ko kasi yung likod kasi I kind of wanna grow out a mullet a little bit. Just a little bit. Will there be more Bekenemen shows? We're probably gonna do a few more this year. Siguro patuhog-tuhog here and there. But, wala na tayong regular viewing parties. And, outside of doing the viewing parties, me and Baus do have our own separate careers. I have a career as a drag queen and as a host. And Baus has a career as a stand-up comedian and also as a host. And also, para marami kaming racket-racket on the side. So, kumbaga parang Bekenemen is a lot of additional work on our end, and I mean not that we don't enjoy doing it, but we don't always have the time to, unless it's a drag race season, because that's when we really like parang career mode talaga kami doon. But yeah, ready ka na po ba makita ang mga mixologists? Oh my god, yeah. So sa mga part ng GC ng mixologists, we're gonna have a fan meet soon. I'm excited to like, parang pa Thanksgiving ko lang siya that now that the season is over, I just want to like spend time with the people that have been there like since pre-season. Since I started doing like lives a bit more regularly. No, I think I started doing more lives in June. And dun din sa mga live ko din nabuo yung GC, and I just want to give thanks to the people that have been here. So we're gonna have a fan meet. If you're not a part of my GC, sorry na lang kayo. Sherry is excited ka ba talaga? Alam mo, AC, sa'yo hindi ako excited kasi hindi mo naman talaga ako kinikita ever. Hindi ka naman pupunta talaga sa mga shows ko ever. Are you the drama? Am I the drama? I don't think I'm the drama. Or maybe I am. How was plastic? Honestly, alam niyo ba? Okay, so sa mga nakapunta ng plastic show, you probably feel the same way. But when I watched her on that, yung spinning platform niya, tapos paikot na sa kanya yung laser light, tapos 4 na blower nakatutok sa kanya, tapos yung damit niya lumilipad-lipad lang ganun. Para akong nakita si Lord. Like, para akong nakita si God talaga. Nakakauga siya ng very light. Like, that's a queen that I have looked up to for the longest time. I have been following Plastique since before her season. As in, fina-follow ko si Plastique nung days na nag-vlog pa sila ni Patrick Star together. So like, syempre ako, kalmado lang. Like parang, Ru-girl siya, Ru-girl din ako. Hindi man si RuPaul yung nag-host sa amin, but like, RuPaul's Empire pays for our talent fee. So like, we're both true girls. I wanted to act like a peer. Pero sa toong buhay lang, girl, fan girl. Like, alam mo yung, girl, idol ko yan for the longest time. Idol ko yan for the longest time. As in, napa-sign of the cross ka ba naman? Diba? Parang, plastic na yan, oh. Ayun, so parang, like, girl, I can't believe I have gotten to work with Plastique, I've gotten to work with Pangina, I've gotten to work with Mirage. Girl, just, life is great. Sa totoong buhay lang, like, the career has been careering and I'm just so grateful, of course, to Drag Race for this opportunity. For, getting the exposure that I have now. It's like a lot of it is thanks to Drag Race, and of course I want to say thank you to like everyone that has been supporting me. Ayun, parang I wouldn't be where I am without y'all, so thank you so much. Girl, ang ganda mo, love you. Ala, thank you po. Wait lang, gusto kong wait, teka ka lang kayo. Like, look at my children. Look at my children. Mixed Fridays. Wala lang, random lang kasi nga it's been a few weeks since I last went on live. Tapos I have a little bit of time today. I'm still waiting for dinner. We ordered pizza for dinner. So naghihintay pa naman ako kumain. So yun, chika muna tayo. Ni, may photoshoot ba ang finale looks mo? Yes, pero nung Tuesday lang ako nakapag-shoot kasi sobrang nagalgal na si bakla over the last few weeks. So, nung Tuesday ko lang na-shoot yung finale looks ko. So, I'm just waiting for the photographer to post-process them and we're gonna post them. Also, kasi may mga backlog pa ako of like things to post on my socials. Like, hindi ko pa na-post yung photos from Miss Asia Pacific that I hosted. Hindi pa ako nakapag-post ng photos from Plastique. Kaka-post ko nga lang ng finale kanina. I have a few backlogs pa, but ilalabas natin yung looks from the finale very soon, I promise. Like, hindi sila magkaroon ng airtime sa Instagram ko. Nick Chanel, I love you po, taka. Namura pa nga, wow. Charis. Kamusta? Parang wala kayong mga gala tonight? Wala ba kayong mga lakad? Or masyado pa bang maaga? I have one of your photo cards, please, and please, she said quality. Oh my God, speaking of, hindi ko na rin naasikaso yung merch. Like, as the season went on, hindi pa ako nakapag-release ng bagong merch. So, nag-aasikaso ako ng bagong merch that we're gonna release soon. I think, definitely before, by November, we're gonna release a bunch of new merch. I have been working on a special project with an artist here on Instagram. It's Leo. If you guys want flow cards of my looks from Drag Race, we have been working on, as in like illustrations, like individual illustrations of glow cards of my different looks from the show. Tatapusin lang namin siya, tapos kailangan ko na lang silang pangalanan ng, yung syempre, yung parang, the windy, the fly, the watery. Gusto kong pangalanan sila ng gano'n. So, pag-iisipan ko yung mga pangalan nila, ganyan. But we're gonna release Mix Chanel Clo cards very, very soon. I also wanna do maybe like one more shirt. I wanna do a tote bag. Yung cheese rings na, yung pinagawa kong photo manipulation of the cheese rings. Gusto ko siyang gawing tote bag. Yeah, ayun. There's just, now that Drag Race is done, sad, yes, kasi wala na yun. Tapos na yung season, and makikita-kita pa rin naman kami ng mga girls, for sure. Marami pa kaming shows together, and magkakaroon pa rin naman kami ng mga, hangout soon, yung outing namin na hindi pa namin napaplano. But we're gonna still see each other soon. Pero alam mo yung ang sad na, wala na, tapos na, hindi na kami makakapag-viewing parties together ulit, ganyan. Wala, ano siya, like, nakaka-sentimental, nakakamiss. But also at the same time, it's like, oh my God, Drag Race is done. Now it's time for other things. Now it's time for the next chapters of our lives, the next evolution of our careers, the next phase. Kumbaga parang, nakapag Avengers Endgame na kami. Nakapag Infinity War, nakapag Endgame na kami. Like, what's the next? Anong phase ang next for all of our careers? So please continue to support the girls. Continue to follow our careers. Because honestly, I'm telling you, the best is yet to come. Yeah, as in, pinag-uusapan namin to ni Tita Baby ni Angel Karina na sobrang mas nakaka-inspire magtrabaho now after Drag Race. Kasi mas marami ng tao yung nagmamahal sa amin. Mas marami ng tao yung nag-support sa amin. Mas marami ng taong nakabantay sa amin. And, like, sobrang hindi nyo alam kung gano'n nakamotivate yon when you know that there's more people that appreciate your craft. It's more inspiring to create. So, ayun, abangan nyo yung mga next na pasabog ng mga bakla. But also, I'm so excited because I have like a 5 or 6 days na drag break coming up. And, na-excite ako kasi talagang nitong buong Drag Race season, lagare, galgalan, trabaho, work. And I love it. And I love meeting everyone. I love getting to perform for everyone. But, alam mo, minsan, kailangan namin, it's good for our mental health to give ourselves time to be normal people. To be people outside of being drag queens. Ganon. Hala, ayan na nga. Yung GC ng mga bakla, gumagalaw na, nagpapa-outing. Okay. Secret. Yun na yan, ganun lang yan. Kamusta naman na 2 times ka sa Music Museum? Haha, I don't like that venue as an audience, but for you, I support. Honestly, fantasy ang Music Museum kasi ang laki ng stage. Ang laki ng stage, sa totoong buhay lang, nakaka-fantasy siya. Anyway, ayun. Thank you. Like, not to get sentimental, but to get sentimental. Thank you everyone that has been supporting me since I started doing drag. Lalo na yung mga people that have been supporting me since the online scene, the people that were supporting me on the early days of Bekenemen, during the run of Bekenemen for Drag Race Philippines Season 1 and Season 2, the people that have been following me from the casting rumors, and all the people that were supporting me since announcement, since Meet the Queens, since the early episodes, kung naging mix convert kayo, kung naging mix apologist kayo, mix defender kayo, sobrang salamat. Kasi this journey has not been the easiest. Totoo lang, it's been mag-1 year na since nag-start yung audition process. And even before nagkaroon ng announcement talaga for season 3 casting, I have really been working on my audition. Totoong buhay lang. I started working on my audition tape for Drag Race Philippines Season 3 since August last year. Tapos nung October lang na-announce. Ganong level of like, I've been working so hard on this. And, yeah, it's been a lot of hard work. And what keeps me going is the people that do continue to support. Ayun lang. Parang, thank you. Sobra. It has not been the easiest journey. It's been a crazy year in terms of work that I've been doing and I've been putting out. And, you know, it's nice. It's nice to know that there are people that appreciate me. Hi Dale, if gusto mo ulit mag-photoshoot sa hotel, let me know. Girl, ang dami pang architecture ng Luneta Hotel na hindi pa namin na-explore. Na hanapan natin ng magandang damit yan. Sinasabi ko sa inyo. Ang ganda mo kagabi sa Music Museum, Beth. Thank you po. Oh my God. Like, I was so excited for that show. That show has been booked since before na announcement namin. And sobrang like, I've been so excited for that. On top of Drag Race, I've been so excited for that show. Buti na lang I liked you before ko mapanood the RPH Season 3. Next chapter versus the world. Who am I to say no if given the opportunity? But, you know, I just... Whatever is next, I will continue to work hard. Like, I love the work that I do. And ayun, parang I love the work that I do. I love, you don't know how lucky I feel to be getting to do drag for a living. Kasi girl, I grew up in a time na ang mga drag queens treated as clowns, treated as intermission numbers. Kumbaga parang sobrang afterthought. And I came into the drag industry nung pandemic na parang sobrang onti ng opportunities namin. A lot of the queens were barely getting by in terms of their livelihoods. Kasi nga, wala namang bars on time na yon. And you don't know how lucky I feel to get to be doing drag full time. And not just like, hindi lang tipong parang paycheck to paycheck siya. Like, I'm able to like afford myself a comfortable life because of the support of everyone. And I just feel so lucky to get to do what I do. Mi, halos ka-level mo ng ganda si Plastic. Huy! Huy! Ang taas na compliment nun. Huy, B! Huy! Kung true, salamat na lang kung pinaplastic mo ko, edi it's a tie. Charis! Sa nagsaspam ng Are You Good With Maxi, B? Oo, B. Matagal na yung show. The show was filmed months ago. And me and Maxi have really like... For us, what happened inside stays inside. Alam mo yon, parang we have had our resolutions habang nandun pa kami sa loob, habang nasa hotels pa kami. We've had our resolutions. If first time yun nanonood ng Drag Race, maybe that's news for you. But the show was filmed months ago. Almost a year, hindi naman, charot lang. But like, the show has been filmed months ago. And girl, kung hindi kami okay, di bakit kami nag-hangout since after the filming, di ba? Like, y'all calm down with the drama. The drama has been done. Ngayon nyo lang siya nakikita, yes, and you're allowed to have your own reactions and opinions to it, but it's been done. Hi, saw you in Pop-Up last Pride Month. Sobrang naging fan mo ako with your Olivia performance. Love you, mix. Girl, can I just say that the Olivia concert, buti nagpicture ako before yung start. Kasi sinasabi ko sa inyo, wala na akong under ice. Alam niyo yun, basag na yung dito ko nung Olivia concert kasi iyak ako ng iyak. Like, hearing... Ano nga yung mga iniyakan kong songs? Na-lost tuloy ako. But like, hearing the songs live... oh my God, ano yun? Teenage Dream. Hearing Teenage Dream live, that was the first song na umiyak ako. Hearing Teenage Dream live, felt so emotional. Kasi sobrang ang tagal ko nang tinatamaan ng linya na maybe they got all the best parts of me or something ganon. Basta ayun, like, it sobrang cathartic experience. Sobrang emotional experience sa panood si Olivia after, like, I've been performing Olivia Rodrigo songs since 2022. As in, like, pagkalabas ng pandemic, nag-Olivia Rodrigo na ako. So parang, wow. Be, curious, sabi kasi ni Versex, every challenge after nila mailim, andun sila sa set, wow. Ang saya pala pag off-cam, be. Huh? No, we stayed in the hotel after our elimination. What's next for Mixionel? Abangan. Abang-abang na lang. Like, I'm excited for the opportunities. I'm excited for the future, yes. But also, like, girl, medyo Drag Race has been an exhausting experience. Isipin nyo parang, mula nung auditions, tapos na-cast kami, tapos nag-prepare kami for the show, tapos nag-film kami. And then, syempre, parang in between filming and the airing, you still have, ang dami sa aming inubos yung pera for the show. So, parang, a lot of us, after filming, we were like, really having to work hard to get by. And, basta, it's been a very exhausting year and I want to give myself space to breathe, space for rest, while also still, parang going for the next opportunities. Wait lang, oh my God. Ano to? Bawal kayo backstage every episode after elimination? Hindi, we don't, pag na-eliminate na, we don't get to, well, sila, kasi I was eliminated episode 8, tapos nandun rin ako 9 and 10. But we were not there to watch the rest of the challenge. So kumbaga na episode 9, pumasok lang kami for the mini challenge, umalis kami. We didn't get to see yung Slay Akla. Hindi namin, tapos yung finale, nung finale lang namin napanood most of everything. Pero yung Slay Akla hindi namin napanood. Once you're eliminated, we stay in the hotel. Which DragCon are you planning to go to, my life? I wanted to go to DragCon UK, pero medyo different yung system kasi ng DragCon UK this year. So, I'm still assessing if it's gonna be worth the, yung gastos to go to UK. Very Scarlet Envy talaga vibes to me. Well, we're both Pisces. Scarlet Envy is a Pisces. PBB naman sunod. Wow! Reality show na naman, be. Wow. Ama na. Ayun. Wait. Hindi ko na makita yung comments. Kailan po ilalabas ang uncut version ng Snatch Game Mother Mix? Ewan ko. I'm a cast member. I'm not part of production. I don't know if plano nila yun. Me, kailan nag-start noon taping niya? I don't know if I'm allowed to say. So, I don't know if I'm allowed to say when. But yeah. Ano say mo na hindi matutuloy card captor clear arc? Di wag. Clamp ang damot nyo. Wow, sabi ko pa naman pag natapos yung card captor Sakura clear card arc, ipapatattoo ko na yung last na wand ni Sakura. Parang, kung di nyo itutuloy, di wag na ipatattoo. Bastos, chris. Not the girlies on here getting too comfortable asking BTS questions lamang. Alam mo naman ang mga Pilipino chismosa. Y'all live for the chismis, like a little too much. Wow, counting po tayo. Start now. Wow, 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 wow. Ilan yon? Ilan yon? Di mo kaya. Hi, Mix, may miss kong utusan ka sa Twitter. Oh my God, Mika, ikaw ba yung ikaw ba yung laging nagpapadala ng DP? Alam mo, salamat sa'yo kasi hindi ko na kailangan pag-isipan. Kasi nung first few weeks, pinag-iisipan ko pa, anong moment kaya i-DP ko ngayon? Dahil nauutusan nyo ako, sinasendan nyo ako na, eto, gawin mo ang DP ngayon. O di go, di ko na kailangan mag-isip. Hello po, how's your relationship with Maxi? Magkaaway kami, be. Fight kami hanggang ngayon. Kalma, Diyos ko Lord. Like, I don't know how many times the cast has to explain to everyone na we're all good. Lahat ng nangyari sa loob, napag-usapan na namin sa loob pa lang at na-clear up na namin before kami lumabas. Kaya nga ngayon, parang nakakapag-hangot-hangot kami pag nagtutugma yung mga free time namin. So like, stop pushing for the drama. It's been done. Kinurot mo daw makilikili ni plastic sa alarma. Wow, sana naman ang galing yan? Sana naman ang galing yan, bihoy? When will you go back to blonde hair? I am enjoying my dark hair era. I'm enjoying my healthy hair era. I'm enjoying my not bleached, not chemical damaged hair era. I'm trying to like grow out a little baby mullet at the moment. Just to try something new because I've had pretty much the same haircut since I keep going back to the same haircut since high school. So, yeah. So yeah, I've been wanting to try new things with my hair. Waiting for Bekenem and Drag Race Philippines Season Episode 10. We just finished filming ang guest namin for this episode. Well, actually, wala kasi si Baus. So, what happened was, Baus had to fly out for the States Thursday morning. Literally, as in like, the morning after finale, kailangan, Baus had to fly out. So, it's just me, but ang guest ko is Tita Baby and Angel. Mex, have you ever been president when you were still in school? No, hindi ako nag-student council. Pa-shoutout daw po si Ate Marigold kasi restricted po siya. Hi Marigold from @Instagram user. I don't know. Hindi ko alam ba't nangyari yun. Kung bakit nagkaroon ng age restriction yung Instagram ko bigla. Na parang yung mga underage, hindi nila nakikita bigla yung account ko. Like, I don't know what's going on. Wanna invite you as a resource speaker in FUOMG. I'd love to. If you want to have me, just please email me. My email is on my account. Merong button doon sa Instagram account ko for email. But if you want to know, it's MyxChanel Official. MyxChanelOfficial. MyxChanel Official. So all work-related inquiries, please direct them to my email. Kasi binabantayan namin yan ng handler ko. I get a lot of messages in my main inbox and in the general inbox and in the requests and in the hidden requests here on Instagram na hindi, pag work-related siya, tas sa Instagram nyo din-DM, minsan hindi ko na siya nakikita. So, please direct all like work-related inquiries dun sa email ko. Hahaha, buti di ako napasama. Go, inggitin mo sila, be. Charis. Wait lang. For more. Ngayon ko lang napansin. Sabi ni Molly, baril. Angas ka be, ha? Angas ka, gangster ka be? Naghahanap ka ng puksaan? Baril ka sa akin be? Mix, I wanna invite you to have a date with me. Pwede ba? May gusto daw makipag-date sa akin. Papayagan mo ba ako? Halika dito. Hindi ka magpapakita, dito ka lang. Parinig ka lang. May nag-chat dito. May nag-chat dito, pwede daw ba makipag-date sa akin? Anong say mo doon? Lalaki. Anong say mo doon?
Itanong muna niyo yung handler. If the price is right, why not?
Wow! Wow! Pinagkakitaan mo pa ako. Ayup.
Joke lang.
Hala, oo. Yun nga po yung labubu ko. Si Labubu. Charis. Jowa, reveal please. Akin lang siya.
Punta kayo sa mga shows niya, makikita niyo ako dun.
No, lagi naman siyang, usually, siguro like 80%, 80-90% of the time, kasama ko naman siya sa shows. So, hanapin niyo na lang siya dun. Pag di niyo siya nahanap, sorry na lang.
Pag bigla kayong tumakbo sa kanya, tas may sumapak sa inyo. Ako yun.
Wow, violente. Bulletproof ba BF mo? Oo. Matigas yan. Maangas yan, B. Charis. Hard lunch. Wow. Hard. Sikarit. Sikarit. Akin lang siya. Walang sayo, Nicole. Akin lang ang jowa ko. Charis. Maisayaw mo ako sa debut ko, tas nakadrag ka. Wow. Pinagtrabaho mo pa nga. Di ba pwedeng makikain na lang, babe? Huwag na mag-jowa reveal. Alam na namin kung sino siya. Hindi. Correct. Pag magaling kayo talaga, pag magaling kayo manghuli talaga, alam nyo na kung sino siya ngayon. Alam nyo na kung sino siya ngayon. Pag hindi kayo observant, sorry na lang. Mix, where do you get the quote na gratitude persists? I actually don't know if I read it anywhere. Parang one day it just popped into my head na parang, ewan ko, I'm a very reflective person kasi. So, one of the reasons why I like to take my time and process my emotions. Kasi, I just find it really healthy to like sit down and, talk to myself, check in on myself, how I'm feeling. Tapos in one like reflection session, in one reflection session, I kind of just came up with, ano ba yung mga pinahalagahan ko? Ano ba yung mga piniiral ko sa buhay? And then I just came up with gratitude persists. Kasi there have been a lot of times in my life that I have been really down on myself. I've gone through a lot of like, not to like trauma dump, but to trauma dump. I've gone through a lot of traumatic experiences in my life. And a lot of the time, may mga panahon na hirap ako to pull myself out of those times. And ayun, one day it just popped up in my head of, whatever happens, I still have so much to be thankful for. So that's when I came up with, I want to be thankful. I want to continue to be thankful for all of the blessings in my life that I do have and I do still have. And no matter what traumatic experience happens, hindi naman nawawala lahat. And I just want to be thankful for the things and the blessings that I do have. So, ayun, one day I just came up with, through everything, I can always choose to be thankful. Through sadness, through anxiety, through anger, through fear, I can still choose to be thankful. Ganon. Oh my God. Teacher Milky, belated happy birthday. I love you. Kasi di ba nanood ka ng Mula sa Buwan? Girl, I have been that Mula sa Buwan girl. I have been performing ang sabi nila since like, nung pandemic pa girl, nung online scene pa lang, pinaperform ko na ang sabi nila. So, Ngayon kumakain tayo ng kiamoy. Sa mga kiamoy fans dyan, the taste. Pero also like, grabe yung, also, oh my God, wala lang, parang, so nung finale kasi, yung gloves na, that came with, yung pinagawa ko with the dress that I wore, mas tikip sa daliri, so pinutol ko yung dulo, just para lang masuot ko siya na maayos. Kasi girl, parang mag-gloves ako tapos hanggang dito yung gloves, wow. So pinutol ko yung dulo para masuot ko siya. Nga pa syempre nakalabas yung fingers ko. Commitment ni bakla, kumuha ko ng black spray paint, tapos pinrayan ko yung dulo ng daliri ko. So ayan, yung kuko ko ngayon, may siya, may black spray paint, hindi ko siya matanggal all. Ayan para lang dun sa finale look, wow, commitment. Hinahanap na po ata nila yung may tattoo na ahas. Mother Mix, pwede po ba kayo maging motivational speaker? Alam nyo kung anong pinaka motivational na quote na someone's ever told me? Ito, sana ready kayo. Ba't ka tatamad-tamad, mayaman ka ba? Ayun. Pag naalala ko yun, parang, shit, oo nga, kailangan kong magsipag, kailangan kong kumita ng pera. Ganon. Magkano naman DR page finale guest reveal, be, hindi ka nakafollow sa Instagram. Kung nakafollow ka sa Instagram, nakita mo na. Nagpicture kami kanina, nagpost kami kanina. Wow, serious. Do you journal your thoughts or it's just you talking to yourself in your head? I used to journal. Siguro parang last couple years ko of college and first year of working, fresh grad, nag-journal pa ako nung time na yon, and I found it very, very cathartic. Cathartic! Na pag sinulat mo kasi, pag iniisip mo lang, paulit-ulit lang iniisip mo, gets mo? Parang paikot-ikot lang sa ulo mo. Pero pag nasulat mo na siya on paper, kunyari, malungkot ako today. Alam nga namang isulat mo, malungkot ako today, malungkot ako today, malungkot ako today. Alam nga namang paulit-ulit. So parang, once you write it down, you have to move on to the next thought. And usually, nung nag-journal ako, I find na parang, when you go from one thought to the next, to the next, to the next, to the next, eventually you're gonna get to a point na parang nabibigyan mo yung sarili mo ng kahit paano ng sagot or ng direction kung paano mag-move forward. And journaling was really helpful for me for a while. Eventually, natutunan ko na lang na i-apply yung ganong thought process just by thinking. So parang, I try not to let myself dwell on the same thoughts for too long. Ganon. Hello from Mexico. Hi, Mexico. Ilang years or months na kayo ni Tay? Wow, tatay nyo. Naging tatay ka daw. Tatay ka daw nila. Si Karet. Favorite League of Legends champion? So, even though si Jana yung isang reference ko for the runway, main champions ko talaga are Bard, Sona, and Morgana. As a bading, as a support. Hui. Do a lot of Filipinos know parts of English? You're super mega fluent. I wouldn't, English is definitely our second language. As a former American colony, that's still like, we still get a lot of American influence. So I think that's why a lot of Filipinos are fluent. But to varying degrees. I think there are a lot of people from the Visayas region that do speak more English than they do Tagalog. Tagalog is like not a dialect, it's a language of like the capital area. Basta binasta. Nag-English pero binasta. But yeah, like to varying degrees, a lot of Filipinos do know a lot of English. But ayun, naubos na be. Naubos na. Time up na. Hindi ko na kaya. Charis. Mapogi ba in person si Plastic Tear? Be, true. At sa totoo lang, pinaka-nagulat ako, she's so fucking tall. Like, I thought, I'm not super tall. I'm like 5'10". So, I'm relatively tall. I thought she'd be around like my height. Pero nung nakita ko siya, parang, tongkad ni bakla. Tapos ang payat. Wow. Tapos sinasabi nga ni J. Queen, parang akala niya maliit na daw yung mukha ko. Si Plastic daw, Isa pa. Sorry. Mapunta ka Paskuhan, please. Sa US, I've never been, actually. If UST wants to get me to perform for Paskuhan, I'd love that. But I've never been to Paskuhan. I've never dated someone from UST kasi, I think. Never ako nagkaroon ng date or jowa na taga-UST. I think. Please go to Mapua, Makati. Ano gagawin ko to mag-enroll? Charis. I would love to go to anywhere that will have me. Kung i-book nyo ako, kung mag-inquire kayo sa email ko at mapag-usapan natin na matinuyan, gusto kong pumunta sa kahit saan nyo ako gustong papuntahin. O kaya hanapin nyo lang ako sa Ayala Marikina, minsan nag-grocery ako doon. Girl, one time may nagpa-picture sa akin habang namimili ako ng patatas sa grocery. Wow. Nakapambahay si bakla, walang pengkay, namimili ng patatas sa grocery. May nagpa-picture, wow. Pero wait naman ako, I take photos with people, even in the most random places. Pero minsan nakakaugala na, inday mood tayo today ah. Wala pong artista dito, nag-grocery ang bading, namamalengke ah. Fave snacks po, yung hindi masisira sa biyahe, ma. Kiamoy po ba? Mahilig ako sa mga sour candy, sour gummy, kiamoy, mga ano yon? Mahilig din ako sa mais. Like, yung mga delata na mais. I love corn. Ano pa ba? I love sour candy. Mahilig ako sa snacks. Hindi ako mahilig masyado sa matamis. Kaya gusto ko sour candy kasi maasim siya. Pero hindi ako mahilig masyado sa matamis. Like, chocolates, girl. For example, teka ka lang. For example, ito, sponsor namin to sa Drag Race. I'm not sponsored personally, but sponsor namin sa Drag Race, si Aura Chocolates. And, from Drag Race, nag-uwi kami ng, nabigyan kami ng mga ilang ganito. Ilang linggo to bago maubos. As in, like, this lasts me, ito, ayan lang, parang gano'ng kadami lang yung laman niya. Ayan, oh. Tumatagal to sa akin mga 2 weeks. Kasi even though naging favorite ko siya na chocolate, kakain lang ako dalawa after a meal carry na ako. Hindi ako sweet tooth talaga. Yung nasa can na corn bet niya yun, oo, as in, minsan kinakanin ko siya, minsan ginagawa ko siya, alam mo, bubukas akong dila, tapos i-drain ko lang yung tubig, kakainin ko siyang ganun. So, kaya yung mga sa tabi-tabi, yung sweet corn na may cheese powder, pasabog. You should try Korean corn pancakes. Ano yun? May corn pancakes. Hindi siya parang yung batter ng corn dog na ginawang pancake kasi may mais ba talaga siya. Teka nga lang, i-google natin. Ano yung itsura ng Korean corn pancakes? Ano yun, gago? Hala, oh my God. Okay, lulutuin natin yan. Next natin i-avail yan. Lulutuin natin yan soon. Pasabog. Salamat po sa recommendation. Ayan, nagkagulo na sa pagkain sa ilalim. Charis. Then, may English exam ako sa Australia sa Tuesday. Motivation, please. Babe, huwag kang tatamad-tamad. Gusto mo umasenso, di ba? Gusto mo gumanda buhay mo, di ba? Ba't ka tatamad-tamad? Mayaman ka ba? Ganon. Bakit po magkakahawig na yung pananalitan yung season 3 queens? I think because a lot of us are neurodivergent and a lot of neurodivergent people tend to pick up on speaking patterns of the people around them that they get to spend a lot of time with. And girl, parang ilang buwan na kaming magkakasama madalas. Like, pero parang at least once a week magkakasama kami dahil nga sa work. So, ayun, same-same na pananalita ng mga bakla. Hello. Mix, corn, sweet pancake. Wow! Gumawa na bagong jingle, wow! Pero alam mo, favorite Filipino food ko talagang sinigang. Sa totoong buhay lang. Like, sinigang supremacy. I think sinigang should be the national dish of the Philippines. Sorry. Sorry sa mga apologists ng nilaga. Sorry sa apologists ng tinola. Sorry sa apologists ng adobo. Sinigang pa rin. Ikaw nga, kumakain ka ng kalapati. Charis. Katunog nyo na po si Ver and Mama John. Bakla lahat kami magkakatunog na. Lahat kami pare-pares na kami magsalita all. Kahit nga si Tita Baby pa minsan, gano'n na din. Mama, what's your MBTI? I have not taken an MBTI exam recently. Kasi siya medyo... Studies have shown, it's not super accurate daw, but so I don't really super ascribe to MBTI. Pero mahilig sa astrology, wow, galing. But ang MBTI ko is ENFP, minsan A, minsan T, depende sa state in life. Charis. Ano favorite mong sinigang, ma? Favorite kong sinigang na hipon na balat na. Pero pag hindi pa balat, go, sinigang na baboy, avail. Nagiging Gen Z na si Tita Baby. Lilihis na sa usapang food mamaya. May mga combination na naman yung mga food na yan. Actually, go change topic. Bigyan niyo ako next topic. Dali. May ganap pala ako tonight. Good night, Chanel Marie. Dinner well, both avail. Go AC. Punta ka na naman, diyan ka na naman sa mga lakad mong hindi ako pupuntahan mo. Diyan ka na naman sa lakad mong iba na naman. Diyan ka na naman sa mga lakad mong hindi naman ako. Diyan ka magaling AC. Ano po batch nyo sa ADMU? Pumasok ay freshman 2013. I was supposed to graduate 2017 kung hindi ako nag-double major. But because of my double major, I graduated technically December 2018. Since mahilig sa astrology, thoughts of Virgo x Leo. Pataasan ng pride yan. TBH. A Virgo and Leo combination, pataasan siya ng pride because Leos are very self-centered. And I don't mean self-centered in a negative way. Leos just tend to be very focused on themselves and their own perspectives. Meanwhile, Virgo is very about comfort, practicality, security. Yun yung mga priorities ng Virgo. So, medyo the priorities can align, pero magkaiba kasi yung parang core, kumaga parang yung pinanggagalingan ng priorities na yun. So, may mga times na pwedeng mag-clash ang Virgo and ang Leo. How does it feel to be one of the hosts of Miss Asia Pacific? Alam mo, in the car ride on the way home from Miss Asia Pacific, gusto ko na sana umiyak. Pero kasi pupunta kaming Jiangnan, kakain kami, so hindi ako pwedeng umiyak. No, but in the car ride home, I wanted to cry kasi, like, girl, that's my biggest hosting gig so far. And I got to work with literal legends. Sanggol pa lang ako, host na MTV VJ na si Joey Mead, si Mark Nelson, kilala ko siya nang hindi ko siya alam niyo, parang hindi ko siya hinahanap sa TV, pero andun siya lagi kasi nga sobrang well-established host na sila. Tapos sila yung nakatrabaho ko. And it wasn't just a pucho-pucho na corporate gig ha. Like, that was an internationally streamed pageant with like people from all over the world watching. That's I went from producing and hosting viewing parties and doing corporate hosting na siguro mga like what 80 to maybe like max 200 people yung na I speak in front of, to like literal, and hindi ko nga nakita yung live stream, hindi ko nga nakita ko ilan nanonood, pero like international, hindi pa rin siya sobrang nagsisink in sa akin, sa totoo lang, kasi I take a little while to process emotions. So, pag wala akong time, hindi ko na po-process yung emotions. Gets niyo ba? It's still, hindi pa siya nag-sink in. Like, hindi ko pa siya fully na-absorb na nangyari sa akin yun. But, oh my God, honestly, what an honor. What an honor. Hi po, sana mapansin. Ayan ka na naman, Miss Universe. Papansin ka na naman. Charis. What was the last runway you finished before filming? I think the very last runways that came in were, I think my twinning runway was the last one to come in. Yeah. I think it was either the purple look, the purple bandana look that I wore for the mini challenge episode 9, which was supposed to be my first time in Drag Redemption, or yung twinning challenge. I think that's the last ones that I put into my luggage. I'm procrastinating right now po. What Black Mirror episode do you recommend? Yung the mga bakla. Charis. Yung the episode San Junipero, yung episode na best friend sila pero sa video game nagkakaratan sila. Honestly, I haven't watched all of Black Mirror. I watch it based on yung mga maganda yung review. Tsaka kasi I can't binge watch Black Mirror. Like, it's too thought-provoking to binge watch all in one go. So I watch At most, maybe like 2 episodes at a time. Ako na muna ang pupunta sa'yo dyan, tsaka ka na muna pumunta sa Ka, baka maulit na naman yung nangyari sa show nila Deja here na scamming producer. Ako na lang muna dahil sa'yo, oh, Teacher Milky, I can't wait, I hope to see you soon. Na-excite ako. Ano yun, makarata na episode, best friends? Basta yung, there's this one episode na meron silang device that they get teleported into a fighting game, parang Tekken, tapos, nung una fight sila, tapos eventually parang wow, nag-sex. Tapos pareho silang lalaki outside the video game, tapos sa loob ng video game, babae yung isa. Wow, fantasy. Ayun, Viper. Yes, Viper. That's the title. That's the title of the episode, Viper. Anyway, hanggang ngayon, nandito pa rin sa laptop screen ko yung Korean corn pancake. Gusto ko siyang matry. Happy food. Andiyan na? Okay, ayan. So, parating na yung dinner namin. Mexi Playtech, and I haven't played in years. I haven't played in a while. But I was, ang pinaka-favorites ko noon were Nina and Lily. Yung favorites ko from Tekken at that time. Tagal ng live mo, Mima. Ayaw mo? Gareklamo ka be? O go end live? Charis. Hala na side si Jowa, ay, no. Capricorn, anong say mo? Pinakamatigas ulo. Pinakamatigas ang ulo ng Capricorn sa totoong buhay lang. Capricorn, walang compromise. Tama, mali. May social media team ka ba, Mix, at naka-live ka at nakakapag-restory ka ng tag videos? Si Karit! Malay niyo may kabila akong phone, yun makikita yung kamay ko. So, sino muna temporary co-host mo next ng podcast? Follow nyo kasi yung account namin. Ito ha, ayan, para maano nyo. Ipipin ko ha, teka ka lang. Pin comment, ayan. Follow nyo kasi yung podcast namin. Nakapost na dyan kung sino yung co-host namin sa episode 10. Huwag kayong matigas ulo. Charing. Are we getting fashion remix for the last 2 runways? Is that something y'all wanna see? I thought about ending the fashion remix series, at least for now, with the twinning runway, since it's technically my last runway look that I did. But if you guys want to see a fashion remix series for the remaining runways that I did that weren't aired, maybe that's something I can do. Gulo-gulo naman sa next episode 10 si babae mo to. Girl, we recorded the episode earlier for like, I think 1 hour 40 minutes, 1 hour 45. Basta more than 1.5. So medyo sasakit ulo ng editor namin. Yes, more fashion remix, please. We need all runways so good. All right, I'll try to make that happen. When I catch a break, we'll go back to the my finale runway looks and the very very few runways that I didn't get to. That didn't make it to airing. Sa lahat po naging guest host yung sabi kayo na po kayo pinaka nag-enjoy or like pinaka matagal na episode, sobrang chikahan. We've had Tita Baby on the podcast numerous times. So we had Tita Baby now twice for the season. Tapos, twice for the season. For 1 episode of Hanash. We had Tita Baby for the McDonald's special episode. We had Tita Baby a few years, like a year or 2 years ago, I think. So we've had Tita Baby as a guest a few times. I always love chatting with Tita Baby. I always come out of conversations with Tita Baby feeling very like motivated. Kasi nga, life coach siya. I also love Versex. As in, girl, kita nyo naman kung gaano namin, kung gaano namin na-enjoy kasama si Versex. We've had her on 2 episodes already. Miss Jade, I love getting to catch up with Miss Jade. Alam mo, wala pa kaming guest so far na hindi namin na-enjoy. Sa true lang. Especially for this season. Minty for Hana, oh my God, yeah. So, ayun. Now that the season's over, me and Baus are gonna shift focus on to producing more episodes of Hanash, which is basically like our anything and everything conversation podcast. Walang pepperoni. Sorry, na-distract. Our anything and everything podcast. So we want to continue that kasi, you know, there's a lot more to talk about with drag queens outside of drag and drag race. We want to talk about their different life experiences. Want to talk about pop culture. So tutuloy namin yon now that the season is over. So if you haven't tuned in, we've posted 2 episodes in the... Parang nag-1 episode per month kami na tong August and September. So we're gonna produce more episodes of Hanash. So yun ang abangan nyo soon. Anyway, andito na yung dinner namin. So bye-bye.